In this video, we will discuss about how to make money on YouTube in 2022. For many, making money on YouTube is a dream. After all, YouTubers appeal to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easy than ever, there is no harm in thinking big and aiming high. You can make money on YouTube. The short answer is yes. Thousands of people are doing it, and not all of them are millionaires of subscribers to boot. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube is not just a number game. Your earning potentially also depends on the niche you cater to, the level of engagement you generate, and the revenue streams you tap into. YouTube does not pay creators for upload videos on YouTube. Also, the video are not monetized by default. In order to start earning money on YouTube, you can have enable monetize from your account setting. YouTube gives you the option to join its partner program or have your videos features on YouTube Premium. If you have been looking to new ways to generate income, you may be wondering how to make money from YouTube. If you have been wondering how to make money from YouTube, then it's essential that you have aware of the YouTube Partner Program and how it works. YouTube content creator was not to able to monetize any of their video until they have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Programs. When your YouTube channel has 1000 subscribers and 4000 public views, it will be reviewed to join the partner program. This means that you will not be able to generate any revenue and until you have hit these numbers. So it's essentially to continue creating content and increasing your channel's reach. You can apply for the monetization once you meet the program criteria. How to enable monetize on YouTube? Log in to the YouTube account you intend to monetize. Click your account's icon in the top right corner, then click YouTube Studio. From the left hand menu, choose Other Features Monetizations. Go through the partner program term and click Agree. Connect an existing AdSense account or create a new one from your channel. Define your monetization preferences. After talking these steps, go back to the dashboard and open the Analytics tab on the left. On the next screen, select Revenue from the top and then scroll down until you see that the chart monthly estimated revenue. The chart will give you an idea of your predicted monthly revenue. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything and they will automatically get a second's revenue stream when YouTube Premium membership play their videos. As with YouTube monetization rules for advertising based revenue, most of the revenue guaranteed via partner membership. Premium membership will also get the opportunity to download and watch your video offline and play them in the background, which contributes to your watch time.